Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let's know how to fix LinkedIn. No CAPTCHA user response code is missing or invalid. We will walk you through several troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem and get you back on LinkedIn smoothly. Open your browser settings. Navigate to the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to check the box for cache images and files. Click on the Clear Data or Clear button. Certain browser extensions can interfere with LinkedIn's functionality. To disable them, open your browser settings, go to the Extension or Add-on section, disable all extensions or selectively disable those related to privacy or ad blocking. Refresh LinkedIn to see if the issue persists, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!